years gone by, the future looks bright. Keep all your worries aside, it's your day. I wanna sing joyful songs, and I put my heart in this little song. It's your day, I wanna sing happy songs, and I just wanna say to you, happy birthday, darling. You're my God's precious blessing. I promise you to be with you for the rest of my life. I wish for you love and happiness, with my heart filled with gladness. I wanna wish you happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you, 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 my love. Happy birthday, darling. You're my God's precious blessing. I promise you to be with you for the rest of my life. I wish for you love and happiness, with my heart filled with gladness. I wanna wish you happy birthday, my love. I wanna wish you happy birthday, my love. Little song, it's your day, I wanna sing happy songs, and I just wanna say to you, happy birthday, darling. You're my God's precious blessing. I promise you to be with you for the rest of my life. I wish for you love and happiness, with my heart filled with gladness. I wanna wish you happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you, 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 my love.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space, with the air like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you
हम भी अगर नाम हमारा हो कभी खाने को मिलते लड्डू। अरे दुनिया कहती है many returns of the day, happy birthday। बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू नवीशा।
Bless you, Navisha. Lots of love from Sushil Mama.
Navisha, happy birthday! My mother told me your birthday theme is space. So, here's the space itself. We'll start with the fires and the brightest sun. This is the sun. It's the fires and the brightest object in the sky. I want you to be as bright as the sun. This is the rocket. It may soar as high as the rocket. This is Neptune. It's the coolest planet, just like you, my cute little sister, who is not that little anymore. This is Mars. You know, there's a big mountain in Mars. Its name is Olympus. Not only in Earth, in the whole solar system. It's the biggest. I want you to stand as big as that mountain in difficulty. This is Venus. It's the hottest planet, just like you. This is Uranus. You know, it rains diamond in Uranus. It's made up of, it's because of nitrogen and helium gas. I want that same rain to pour on you. This is Jupiter. I want you to do big things like Jupiter, because it's the biggest planet. This is Mercury. It's the smallest planet. I want your worries and tensions to be as small as Mercury. And universe, don't forget to say happy birthday to Navisha. Hey, I just heard the whole universe sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Birthday. I hope you and your family are good. I miss you a lot and I miss the fun we had in the bus. Stay happy.
Hi Navisha! Happy birthday to my cute, loving and totally cherished sister. Happy birthday once again. I love you. Mwah.
Birthday Navisha, I wish you are safe and healthy. I hope you enjoy to the fullest. Stay happy always.
Girl from heaven is turning the number 7. Hello Navisha. Do you know there is something common between us? That we both love space. Isn't it cool? Enjoy your day with the family. You must be sad because you cannot celebrate your birthday with your friends. But don't worry, I could not celebrate my birthday with my friends too. But we will celebrate our birthday later. Enjoy your day with the family. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Birthday Navisha, wishing you all the health, wealth, love and happiness. And you're already a shining star of your school and our family. So I have a birthday question for you. It's a quiz question. And the question is, क्या खाने की प्लेट में भगवान जी होते हैं? And इसका आंसर छुपा है when you were 4 years old. Ask your mommy, she has the clue. And send me the answer. And wishing you a very happy birthday once again. Keep shining, keep blossoming.
Love you. Lots of hugs and kisses from Kamal Mami.
God bless you. Bye bye.
Hi, little Levisha. I'm so glad, and I can't believe you're turning 7. And you have been on this earth spreading joy and gladness and fun for the past 7 years. Anna, aren't you ready for the party yet? We're getting very late. I can't afford to get late in this party or miss this one. This is a very special party for me.
Oh, Didi, I'm coming. Oh no, I have put in the wrong shoe and then my wrong foot. Just give me a little bit time. I'm coming, and I'm damn sure that Shania is also taking some time to get ready.
Oh, Anna, let me do my makeup. You call a viral. Yes, Shaya, I'm all set. Let's check with Swati Di.
Hey, AdRev, I am all set. Let me ask Anvi to join.
Hey Swati Didi, I'm all ready for the party. It's the case she's taking time.
Wow,